clean it?
No, I did not. It doesn't need this spring. This spring is not the same as the spring that goes in there.
Nope, totally different. Big time different. Got the time lock plug in there. It feels like you do. Yep.
What's that?
Time lock plug's in there. It's good. These shouldn't have drain plugs in them. Nope, no drain plugs down there. Already got the cam seal in it, so this is all sealed up. Oh well. Ah, damn, that hurts doing that. Don't squeeze on that, it hurts. What do you got over there? You letting that cold air in here again? Oh, that's dangerous. That's dangerous over there. You got the O-ring in there?
I think it had one. I didn't blow it off.
Yep, it's still there.
And now what happens if I don't put anything in there?
It just doesn't filter its half its drain oil. So the oil going in the lifters is unfiltered. Technically it's filtered by the engine filter, but we know how that goes. So tighten that one up a little bit. Is the one you took it out with. Too tight? Is that unstable, sir?
It's just odd.
What is it? You need an engine stand or something?
The stand would be nice.
Did you bring one?
No.
Why not?
You stole my last one.
I stole yours.
It's in the middle of one of those 13 containers.
I stole your stand, huh? Yeah.
You still got that setup I gave you for your jack on the lift? Remember I brought you a speed wrench with an extension and the right size nut?
Oh yeah, that, yeah.
Oh, you do still have it. Nice.
I use it all the time. Looks on my lifts. Got one there, one over there, and there's a third one under this bike. Okay, here, you're in charge. Move this out of my way.
Yes.
Dangerous. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Don't go so far. You don't want to pinch yourself like that. See how you can pinch yourself? So always make sure you don't go enough that you can pinch yourself, see? It hurts.
No pinching.
It hurts when you pinch yourself. Pinchies, no pinchies.
No pinchy puro.
Okay. What are we doing now?
Looking for my phone.
Find it? Is this making noise over there? What down here?
There it is.
How come we got 2 bags of these now?
2 bags of what?
These things.
That's what we're supposed to have.
Oh, you're missing screws? Is that what you're saying? Well, you lost your gasket, so didn't you? Where are you posting that?
100 horsepower. I'm not. These are just personal. I might post on Instagram. Do you have Instagram?
I used to have it. Someone stole it.
Someone stole your Instagram?
Yes, if you Instagram Tatro machine, it won't have me. I'm not going to be commenting to you if you have no access to it. Unless you know how to access Instagram, it's been stolen for like 10 years.
Fuck.
Maybe only 8. You know how to do that? You gonna steal it back?
No.
No, me either. We're missing a gasket. Only got one.
When you picked it up, you must have flipped it off because they were both right there.
I know, but you were over here dicking around with it. I took it. You stole it. What did you do with it?
I didn't take it.
Not here. Gone.
Did it fall off when you picked that thing up?
I think you took it.
I didn't touch those.
You
Got it?
You ate it. I didn't take it.
Fuck, I saw them. They were both sitting right there on that board.
You swear in front of my videos. Don't care, do you? Nope, I'm on here.
You squeak that thing on and off.
Give it an extra gasket back, that's probably it.
No, that was an old one I brought.
You might need it again. What you do with it? Just took it. It's laying right here.
Oh, it's on the engine.
No, that's the one I have.
I thought you had one on the board.
That's the only one I have. One's up here. Need one more, sir.
Shoot. What? They were right there. I didn't touch them, my brother.
You did something with it.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. It's not laying here. Take back that video. All right, we're on hold again.
Yeah,
Lost parts.
I didn't pick it up at all.